So here we have the Nissan Qashqai on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. You can fold those rear seats down. You can also lift and remove these two tray sections to give you even more space. They can be used to divide the boot up as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 65,739. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, the button I was just using is here. We have our stereo controls beneath that. We have cruise control, speed limiter and phone controls all on the right-hand side. Into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen. So, firstly, you can see this car's got parking cameras. So we have a 360 camera, and what you're looking at there is the forward-facing camera. If I put the vehicle into reverse, we get a reversing camera. And if we press this button a second time, we get the front near side wheel of the car, as well as the forward or reversing camera, depending on the direction the car is headed in. You can cycle around those, back out of that with this button just here. When it comes to your audio options, we have auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio and a CD player. We have AM, DAB and FM radio. The volume is just on the left-hand side here for the stereo. To pair up your phone, hit this button, then connect. Follow the instructions on screen. Once you've done so, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly using that Bluetooth audio. We have satellite navigation, of course. You can see the map just there. We can zoom in and out of that with this dial, and you press the nav button to actually input an address. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. That button turns your air conditioning on. The same button will turn that off again. You can hit auto and the car will take full control of everything for you. Otherwise, you can make those adjustments yourself. We have a heated front and a heated rear screen, 12-volt charging socket with an electronic handbrake, and your 6-speed manual gearbox. We then have 2 cup holders, and then both driver and passenger heated seats with 2 different heat settings each. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a sunblind that will open all the way to the back of those rear seats. And although this is fixed in place, as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.